Today I will review the book about Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor. Charlie Munger is one of the most intelligent men alive in US. Charlie believes his life has been so devoted to improving his own mind and that peculiarities of his personalities will make people unpopular if they blindly follow his example. Why Munger has read hundreds of biographies? Learning from the success and failures of others is the fastest way to get smarter and wiser without a lot of pain. The best thing a human being can do is to help another human being know more. Charlie said, I observe what works and what does not and why. The intent of this book is to teach you how to think more like Charlie Munger. The four fundamental principles of value investing as created by Benjamin Graham are as follows. Treat a share of a stock as proportional ownership of the business. Number 2, buy at a significant discount to intrinsic value to create a margin of safety. 3, make a bipolar Mr. Market your servant rather than your master. 4th, be rational, objective. Munger likes to say that a successful investor never stops being a learning machine. The Graham value investing is intentionally designed to underperform an index in a bull market. The Graham value investor is able to outperform when the market is flat or down. When stocks are a bargain, people are fearful. When stocks are expensive, people are greedy. If you are an investor, you are looking on what the asset is going to do. If you are a speculator, you are commonly focusing on what the price of the object is going to do. And that is not our game. Charlie said, no one can know everything, but you can work to understand the big important models in each discipline at a basic level so they can collectively add value in a decision-making process. Munger is a fox who knows a lot about very little. Here is my favorite quotation of Charlie. I constantly see people rise in life who are not the smartest, sometimes not even the most diligent, but they are learning machine. They go to bed every night a little wiser than they were when they got up, and boy, does that help, particularly when you have a long run ahead of you. People make mistakes, but Munger has repeatedly said that staying away from the really big mistakes like cocaine and heroin is vital. You need to have a passionate interest in why things are happening. Here is the most important sentence of this book. Munger has a strong view about the danger of being too ideological. He has said that heavy ideology can be one of the most dysfunctional extreme disorders. If you get a lot of heavy ideology young and then you are start expressing it, you are locking your brain into a very unfortunate pattern and you are going to distort your general cognition. In the long run, the power of compounding becomes even more evident. Unfortunately, understanding the power of compounding is not a natural state for the human race. However, it is a critical task. People who are passionate tend to work harder and invest more in achieving their goals. Life is a lot more pleasant when you let other people make most of the big mistakes. After all, you will make enough mistakes all by yourself. Carefully learning from the mistakes of others is a way to accelerate the learning process. Warren does not take a swing of the bat unless the opportunity appears unbelievably good. The wise one bet heavily when the world offers them the opportunity. They bet big when they have the odds, and the rest of the time they don't. It is just that simple.